Short video on restoration monitoring apps ecosystem. The restoration monitoring app ecosystem consists of two apps, the Regreening Android app and data reporting system. And in this video, we will see some of the aspects of data reporting system. To access the data reporting system, please visit radrs.icref.org website. Don't worry, I will also add it in the description of this video. Once the data reporting system website is loaded, you will be able to see a website like you are seeing on the screen. It has details about the restoration monitoring apps ecosystem, what features we are providing in this app ecosystem, some of the KPIs extracted from all the projects that are using this platform for version 2, details about the app and links to the Google Play Store, and how you can register your own projects, and a couple of other details about the app and how you can access or send emails to us. Once the data reporting website is loaded, you can log in to the website using two methods. One is by clicking on the option which is in the center of the screen called Start Monitoring Your Project by logging in, or by clicking the down arrow, which I am using over here, and signing in to your to this website. Those of you who have registered using Regreening app, you can use the same username and password to log in. So let's see how to log in. You can click any of the options. Use your app username and the password that you have selected and press the sign in button. Once logged in, additional options will appear on the data reporting system menu. Like PM dashboard was not there before, it has appeared. Register project was not there, it has appeared. And the forum for asking question, this option has appeared. If you are part of a project, you can proceed to click on PM dashboard option and see data and KPIs related to your project. However, if you have just started and need to register your project, please click the option Register Project. A new screen will appear, and on this screen there are a few details that you need to fill to register your project. The details are like project name, which is mandatory, you cannot skip it. Project description, it is optional but good to tell us about your project using this description option. Project website, if any, and this is optional. You can put the project website address over here. Project logo, if you have any logo for your project, you can put it over here. You can upload it into our system, and this is also optional. Your organization name. If you belong to an organization, we would like to know which organization is using this app ecosystem. So first see if your organization is in the drop down list. If it's not, you can just type it in the text box. And then the website of your project, that has to be there as well. And this is optional. You can provide us website address of your project. Finally, select the country where this tool will be used. So if I'm using the tool in let's say Brazil, I will select Brazil and it will appear over here. So select one country for the time being where this project will be used. Finally, when you have filled all the information, press the submit button, and it might take few seconds to register the project. Once project is created, you will be assigned a role of project data manager for the project that you have just created. With this role, only you can monitor the data collection process for this project. Now let's see how you can monitor the progress of your project. So since I have registered a couple of projects, I'm part of a couple of projects, so I don't need to create a project at this moment. I will just jump to project dashboard. So the project dashboard contains all your data related to specific projects in different formats. First, it shows who is logged in to this system. You will be able to see your name on the top right corner of the screen. Below this option, you will be able to see two drop down boxes. One is called country box, drop down box, and the other one is called project drop down box. If, like me, you are monitoring projects in different countries, you'll be able to see multiple countries. And if you are monitoring projects only in one country, you will see only one country in that drop down. So if I want to monitor a project in Kenya, I will select the country, Kenya, and then the project. So for this video, I will select test project that I would like to see data for. Once project, country and project is selected, I can press the filter button to filter rest of the data from the rest of the data that I am interested in and the data that I have access to. I can only see data which I have access to. So below the country and project selection option, the page also contains key performance indicators, KPIs section, showing KPIs like total number of unique farmers for tree planting and FMNR, total number of nurseries, and total number of engagement that I have recorded or my team has recorded for this project. Below the KPI section is the map section that shows all the polygon in different colors and nurseries as markers. If I zoom in and concentrate on an area, I'll be able to see polygons and markers in different colors. Green polygons are representing tree planting polygons, and blue polygons are representing FMNR polygon. Each polygon has a label at the center showing actual area of the polygon in hectares. You might be able to see a lot of clutter over here. This is due to the reason that these polygons were recorded by someone who was training users. If you click on a polygon, you'll be able to see details of the polygon as well. And same is true if you click on a nursery marker. You'll be able to see nursery details. Note that at any stage, you can switch between OpenStreetMap, which you are looking at now as base map, or high resolution satellite images provided by Google Satellite. So if you select the option Google Satellite, from the map, you'll be able to see high resolution image provided by Google Satellite. Similarly, you can use the same option to switch between Google Terrain, which shows elevation data as well, if possible, for the area. Also note that you can switch on and switch off FMNR and TP polygons and also nurseries markers as well at any time to declutter the map. Below the map section, we have data section in tabular form. The data section is divided into regreening app modules like tree planting, FMNR, nursery, and engagement. And each module shows its respective data. Tree planting is selected as default module. So let's see the details of tree planting data. Here you can see, here you will be able to show data of your project related to tree planting module, like when the data was collected, when the data was uploaded, when the data was collected, the project name, the farmer or the group or the institution name, counties, sub-counties, including, if you scroll on the right side, of tree species, management information, usage information, and the photos that were recorded using the app. If you like, you can download this data by pressing the download option. Download data as CSV. The CSV stands for comma separated value and is the format is just like Excel sheet. Plus, this format is friendly for data analysis using other data science tools. The tabular data section also contains option to filter data based on start date, end date, first name of data collector, last name of data collector, country, county, and sub-county. The start date and end date filter option is quite useful for analyzing monthly, quarterly, or annual data. The filter option for first name and last name can also be used to review data from a specific data collector for quality checks. And as I said, data can also be filtered based on country, county, and sub-county options. You have to type in the options. The interesting aspect of filter option is that one can use any combination of filter option to narrow down the data selection for better analysis. We will explain other functionalities of data reporting system in future videos. Thank you very much.